Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? Promise you it's the vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, we got some work to do today. I'm currently in my bathroom and I decided that I wanted to give it another makeover. This will be my third time doing it and I'm so excited. Lately, I've just been loving the whole DIY remodeling, the before and after. It just gives me a sense of creativity and I really love it. And being that this is a small bathroom, I always thought there wasn't that much that I could do to it, being that I was kind of limited with space. But that's not true. I came up with this whole idea of getting some stuff and making it more a modern look for me and more positive when I walk in my bathroom. The two most important places to relax is in your bedroom and of course in your bathroom. I'm going to show you guys the current state. It's a little untidy, but of the video. And I'll show you guys everything that I did get. I actually made it an affordable DIY job because I don't feel like you need to spend $1,000 just to make something beautiful when there's beauty in everything. That's what we're gonna do for today. I'm probably not gonna do a lot of talking. It's more of like a visual thing. I hope you guys enjoy, sit back, relax, and I hope that this motivates you to get up and do a DIY project in your house. So I just wanted to show you briefly all the stuff that I got. Well, I'm not going to show you guys everything, but a lot of the stuff that I got literally comes from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know how I feel about Dollar Tree. I think I got 2 things off Amazon and then 1 thing from Five Below, but everything else is from Dollar Tree, guys. I believe the total was a little over $100.
Where did you go?